Hello, Tony at D-Lab. Here's a nice little old Champ. At my behest, Terry has found a way to make these things sound much better. I told him I had one once. I carried it around for years. It was anemic. All these amps are anemic. If you listen to it, this amp is on 6. The bass is on 10. Bass on 10, this thing should have some kind of thump. Yeah. There's just not enough signal on the front end of this thing, or in the middle, or at the end, to actually get a good sound.
Yeah. And you said this is true for all the silver face,
all of these
Champ,
amps,
Vibro Champs.
all the Champs, they sound like this. I've owned 2 of them, maybe 3. I think, yeah, 3 of them. I had a black face one. It didn't sound much better than the silver face ones. Maybe a little bit, marginally. Mm-hmm. But I've had 2 of these silver face ones, and I never liked them that much.
Yeah, so you got rid of them,
and
right?
I got rid of them. Well, I said something, Terry had one in here a few months ago, and he fixed it up, and when I came and tried it, I talked to him about this, and he looked at the schematic, he said, "Oh, I know what the problem is." So he did his little magic, and he turned what is basically a fart amplifier into a really nice sounding good amp. Yeah. So, next step, here's one in stock mode.
Yep.
Next step, Terry's going to do his thing, and we're going to come back and play it for you again and show you what these things can actually sound like.
Cool. Let's do it.
The speaker's not liking it.
You got a little more gain, obviously, and the bass you can actually turn it back a little bit.
Yeah, this is
But part of the problem is it's got the original. It's got the original speaker in it still, and it's a little flubby.
Yeah. What the speaker needs is a warehouse G8.
Yeah.
We've already done some with that in it, and that is the answer, but it's already, if you want to compare the first video to the second, the hokey mid-range sound is gone, much fuller sounding, a lot more gain. When I say a lot more gain, we're not talking about Marshall,
right.
JCM gain. We're talking about nice gain that's still within the, it's not an overdrive monster.
Right.
It's just more like a real Fender amp.
And if you wanted it to be anemic again, you just turn your volume back to about here now, right?
Well, I don't know, we can't really do it. There we go. I'll turn the bass all the way up. That sounds better than it did.
Yeah.
And it actually starts to come alive about 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Hear the difference. Right now you got a sweet spot around 7 or 8. Let's do Dime It Out, Derry.
Oh yeah, Dimer Tony, go ahead, man.
I'd say that's not the sweet spot.
But at least now you can adjust the tone.
There's a sweet spot. I guarantee your Champ don't sound like that.
Yeah, but if you send it to me, I can make it happen. All right, man. That's cool. All right, well, since the owner told me he doesn't want to fool around with the tired speaker, he wants to get this thing and plug and play, right? So we're going to go ahead and install a Jensen 4-ohm speaker and see if that, you know, brings some better sound.
Better sound to it.
Yeah, let's try it out. All right, we pulled out the old original Flub-O-Matic and we have that Jensen installed. That's a tight Jensen.
That's a tight Jensen.
It sounds good.
Instead of a loose Jensen.
Yeah. Was this a Jensen too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. Special edition. Ain't special anymore, is it?
No.